Suyu!
Suvi! What's up guys? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. In today's video, you'll be wondering why we two are here. This guy is my cousin and I am here with this box. Random box. I don't know what is inside it. So, we're gonna open this in end of the video and this
Okay, guess what's inside.
yeah. Comment down below what's in here. And guys, please like and subscribe. So we kept a bet like if I get 1 lakh likes in this video, he's gonna buy me a gaming PC, double monitor, and gaming keyboard, everything gaming RGBs.
Give him 0 likes.
I know what he said. Give him 0 likes. Be quiet. They're not gonna do that.
You believe on your subscribers.
Yes.
Do you believe?
See you guys, so good. And this
Nice confidence, man. Nice confidence.
and this is 399 per 399 399 399. So how much is total?
399, 399, 999. 9. I think so, over 1000.
Okay, over 1000. This one is 129 and 199 and 199. How much? Oh,
199, 299, I think so.
okay. So and this is
I'm saying my calculation.
and guys, if you can't see the price, it is 2000. Guys, it's so blur. I know.
Camera focus.
Camera is dumb.
Bro, camera, bro. I told you to buy a new camera, but no.
Give me money.
Why I should give? They are not even liking your videos are trash, bro.
You don't even have a channel.
I don't have a channel, but shall I say your marks in the public? Shall I say?
You don't know my marks. What? I got 50 out of 50 and he got 1 out of 50. Guys,
bro.
support.
Actually, my marks are out of 100.
Even
So-
my marks are out of 100. Who told?
Yeah, but you got 0 out of 100. Bro, you know he's very weak at maths. I got
Okay,
90.
what? Are you smart?
Oh yeah.
1 plus 1.
2,
2 plus 2.
4,
4 plus 4.
8,
8 plus 8.
16,
16 plus 16.
32,
32 plus 32.
64,
64 plus 64.
128.
128 plus 128. Oh, we can't solve it. See, guys, it's so dumb.
Give me a book.
I don't have a book.
See, he don't go to school. He don't have a book.
Everybody knows I go to school. Ask my friends. Ask me subscribers.
Then why you don't have a book?
It's in another room.
So why don't you get it? I am getting it, bro.
Dumb! Guys, see guys, we have money.
Money.
We are rich.
It's 100 rupees.
5 million almost. 50,000.
Wait, bro. I'll bring more money. This is my money.
Hello. It's my Potter's edge.
This is my money. Wait, bro. I'll bring your money. Wait, bro. I'll bring your money.
No. Okay, guys. Since he went, I want you guys to listen to me. Subscribe my channel. And he's coming.
This
guys,
your money.
please unsubscribe his
That's
channel.
your
and-
money. See,
and
bro.
Please, guys, like and subscribe. See, guys.
Your money.
See, we are gonna do rain. Everybody, stand up. Everything went well. Oh yeah! Oh my god!
His see his money. Yeah, actually, see his money, bro.
Guys, see that? Oh my gosh!
See his money, bro.
Oh my gosh!
It went out. One of the note went out. Bro.
Bro, it's gonna fall! No! Hey! No!
Your father is going to kill you, bro. Your father is going to kill you, bro.
You take the L. And since I was talking about, we are gonna unbox that. Where's the box? Yeah.
See, I'm going to throw my money.
Throw.
Okay, see, bro.
Don't throw money, bro. That's God. So, guys, we're gonna unbox this. What's in this? Comment,
cuties.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my gosh. No way.
Bro, Bro, can you give me a glass of water? Bro, please, bro.
Hey, go get yourself.
Bro, please, bro.
I'm not your bro here. See guys, 20 rupees.
Fufaji.
And we are so guys,
Fufaji.
and we are gonna
Fufaji.
open it. And we are
Fufaji.
gonna
Go take.
oh my god.
I'll rob your money.
Ah.
Go give me a glass of water. I'll give you this money. All
Take.
I'll give.
Take.
Bro, I'll give you all my money.
No.
Get me a glass of water.
Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. My head is gone. Bye.